so intimidated in the past. 20 watch the table come from moving on.
So many of you asked me the same question in my comments. How many pieces do I use for one braid? That is hard to determine because, as you can see, right now I'm doing a braid that is on her edges. So these pieces, well, her hair is going to be finer in the front than it would in the back. So I can't tell you how many pieces there is used for one braid because it might differ from the braids that are in the back. So I haven't been counting, but I'm going to go ahead and rewind this so you guys can see exactly how many pieces I'm using for this particular braid in the front.
You were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house, I can sell you an idol. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Cute, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this? Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
So right here, I am showing you use as many pieces as you need to get your desired size.
Till it turns from color to black and white. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
So for that braid, I only used 8 pieces. Now I'm gonna show you a piece that's in the back. So she has thicker hair in the crown. Well, everybody usually does. And then the vellus or thinner part of your hair is in the front. So if it's the same size as the braid next to it, then that's the size I'm just gonna keep doing until the braid starts to feel thin. Then I know I need to add a piece. So let's count how many I use in this one. You were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house, I can sell you an idol. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Cute, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this? Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. So for this braid, as you can see, I only use 6 pieces and it's still the same size as all the other braids. It just depends on the person's hair and the size of braid you're trying to get. Just make sure you're comparing the braids to each other so you can get the exact same size all over the head.
My spirit keep it alive.
I hope I was able to answer your question on how many pieces is used for one single braid. There is no set amount of pieces. It just depends on the size you're trying to get, on your desired size braid you want to display. So there is no set number. You literally have to feel the braid, and if it's getting thinner, add some hair so that it's the same density all over. The only way to determine how many pieces you need is by feeling it and looking at it. That is the only way you'll be able to get braids all the same density.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears.
And the ending is just me basically showing you guys my client wanted beads on the end of her hair, and I put 5 beads on each piece of hair. Beading also takes a while too, you guys. It takes maybe another 45 to an hour sometimes, depending on how many braids and how many beads. But my client did help me, so I do appreciate that. These came out absolutely super cute. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know anything else you want me to show you guys how to do or have any questions about, and I'll just see y'all in my next video.
You got a beach house I can sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Till it turns from color to